Step into the 2010 Ford F-150. This four-door, six-passenger truck provides exceptional value. A 4.6-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated four-speed automatic transmission, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.